Good morning to all. Today, our chief guest, MOS, Ministry of Farmers and Farmer and Farmer Welfare, Government of India, Madam Shobha Karandalaje ji, Sri Ashok Dalai ji, Vardi Vice Chancellor Dr. Suresha ji, Dr. Chandrasekhar ji, Dr. Ishwarappa, Dr. Venkat Subramaniam, Dr. Shivalangappa, Dr. Rashmi Singh, National Secretary of the dais, our most respected Dr. P. Das ji, Dr. Chingappa ji, our Dr. S.K. Singh, then our Vice Chancellor Inder Sen ji, then Dr. Veerbhadria, most of the senior peoples of the extension education sitting in my front, and delegates of the participant in this national seminar, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Ishwarappa already explained about the secondary agriculture workshop, these seminars. I am just giving a brief introduction about our Indian Society of Extension Education, how this society is working and how this society is serving the profession and farmers of the countries. As you know, the Indian Society of Extension Education is a registered professional society under the Society Registration Act 21 of 1860. The society was established on June 22nd, 1964, and today is June 22. So we are completing today 60 years of this our society. So this is the beauty of this society, oldest society in the country. And I am proud to say you, with more than 2,000 members of Indian Society of Extension Education. This is the society where we have registered more than 2,000 members of the society in this country and abroad. The society engages fundamental as well as applied research in the field of extension education and has given direction to the discipline of extension education nationally. Extension education is a discipline. Extension education is a profession. This society, we give a kind of honor to our discipline. The society publishes quarterly research journal entitled the Indian Journal of Extension Education that is listed in UGC CARE. That journal NAS rating is 5.95. I think the NAS rating for in the social science journal. This is our journal for Indian Society of Extension Education journals, and indexing in the CABI, then EBSICO, then AGRIS, and index Compass International, BASC, then Google Scholar. See, our the journals regularly publishing in the quarterly, and I thanks to our editors and I thanks to our editorial body to maintaining this. We are 1 month earlier, we are ready our publications, and see how this regular publications and how we publishing the research paper of our professionals. Indian society has various regional chapters actively engaged in the causes of the discipline of the extension education, especially this Karnataka chapters of Indian Society of Extension was established in 1974 as US Bangalore, and 200 members of this Karnataka society. Now 20 chapters they are requesting to the as a president to me to start, especially for the UP chapters, Madhya Pradesh chapters, Punjab chapters. They are coming forward. After this national seminar, we are sitting, and tomorrow we are going to make our general body meeting. And general body meeting may fix some criteria where we can call all states for the starting the chapters, so that our central level, our Indian Society of Extension Education in the New Delhi, and then in different chapters they start, so that the publications and the outreach of the society reach to the every state and every universities. As you know, this seminar, 16 collaborators offering this, offer the collaboration of this society. See how this importance of this society, ICR, then Karnataka states, then Agriculture Department, then NEVARS, then APEDA, like that. They are gladly to providing their financial supports for organizing this secondary agriculture and how this secondary agriculture is important. This society not only for organizing national seminar, not for publishing journal, we are also recognizing the good work made by our professions. So we have several awards where we recognize our professions, especially for the D.K. Mishra Memorial Awards, then K.N. Singh Memorial Awards, then O.P. Dhama Memorial Awards, G.S. Vidyarthi Memorial Awards, Professor Y.P. Singh Memorial Awards, and also those who are working good work and they have good experiences. So we are providing 10 ISC Fellow Awards to the different zone. As you know, we have North, East, South, West, 4 zone. So two scientists from each zone, we are providing Society Fellow Award. We are also this society also promoting young scientists. We have also 10 awards for Young Scientist Awards. So how we can motivate 2 young scientists for their professions, we are giving the Young Scientist Awards. You know the KVK taking very important role, and if you see the Madam 35 exhibition made by our Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and you see they have developed a lot of secondary agricultures. Every KVK, they have developed 10 to 15 materials. Yesterday, there is a journal workshop last day. So we're discussing about our KVK scientists and our director extensions, how we can influence the policy makers, so that they can make it, your recommendation goes to the grassroots levels. So you can quantify and you can make a good publication so that your contribution recognized by the policymaker, and then policymaker support to you. Because every time we are talking about agriculture is the State Department subjects. And central government, even there central government supporting a lot of, through Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and several programs. Madam Arya program we are launching, treating rural youth in the agriculture, then Farmer First, then Nari, Vadika, these are the programs. So KVK doing good work, so this society also recognize their work, and we are providing 2 from each zone, total 10 award for Best KVK Scientist Award. So this is a kind of recognition of the KVK awards. And one most important award, Lifetime Achievement Awards. This is a very important awards. The recipients should have worked for the decades and made substantial contribution to the discipline of the extension institution. The power and popularity enjoyed by the person is unique, and his work captures him, and talent influence is under the discipline of the extension education. This is the highest award for the Lifetime Achievement Awards. That's recommended by the society members for the giving to the every year. So this is another way we are recognizing by our profession. This society, see the importance of this society. More than 600 registration completed. 150 registration by online registration for the scientists. Some scientists, they are not coming, but they are making the registration. We have received 750 abstracts, 10 technical sessions, and we are calling 50 farmers, producer companies and members, so that we can come out with good recommendation. So what is the constraints of the farmer producer company for the secondary agriculture and for marketing? So these are the things we are going to discuss with 3 days. And definitely the 3-day outcomes give a kind of policy brief to the state government and government of India. Madam, I wanted to share you. Our Indian Council of Agriculture Research made a MOU with the Amazon. So how? Because this is a 3P. Farmers provide their land, KVK provide their technology, and Amazon provide their marketing platform. So 3PP we can make, because we have a lot of product, we have a lot of farmer producer company, they are producing commodity. But there is a problem for the marketing. Now they are coming forward. They are signed with the MAU, with the ICR, कि they are providing the facility, but condition is कि that is the residue free. Your product is the chemical free. Your product, they have established laboratory in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and that after residue free, they will provide. Within 5 hours, you get the money from the your bank. So these kind of arrangement ICR are making. So definitely this Indian Society of Extension Education, once again I welcome to all our Star Award, especially Dr. P. Das. He is heading this our institute for 12 years, Indian Council of Agriculture Research for 12 years. And maximum KVK established during his presence. Now 731 Krishi Vigyan Kendra, madam, more than 500 KVK established under his guidance. So I welcome sir, I welcome all the members, and I welcome madam especially for sparing time to inaugurate this national seminars. And Dr. Dalwai, we have gone through their doubling the farmers' income documents 1 and 9. And most of the things we are going to discuss for 3 days. How we go for the implement. This is the important aspect. You are giving a thought. And that thought, how our KVK and how our scientists going to implement in the farmers' field, so that they, ultimately benefit taken by the farmers. So once again, on the behalf of our Indian Society of Extension Education, I welcome sir. Just I give brief about our Indian Society of Extension Education. Thank you very much, sir.